Begin by attaching the metal sliding rail to the top panel of glass using the screw as shown here. Next, install corner brackets to the base as shown here, once again using the short screws. Use the L brackets on the side. Fasten using the short screws. Install your first pane of glass. Make sure it is in the groove and attach to the L brackets and corner brackets as shown here. Repeat this step on the back and sides. Be sure to build up with the L brackets as well. There are pre-drilled holes in the glass for you to use. Use the remaining corner brackets on the top back of your unit. Install the shelf pins as shown here. To install the shelves, simply slide them in and rest them on the shelf pins. To install the sliding door, simply angle it onto the track as shown. Repeat this step for the other side. Finally, attach the top using the screws provided. Make sure to slide the track doors over the doors before screwing in.